Hi, this is September 11th, 2015, and we're back with our trade of the day, or possibly two trades of the day. Uh, this is going to be an eMini day, and we're going to be looking at a pair of wedge breakouts. I'm going to bounce back and forth between the two 10-minute charts just because there's more clarity in some places on one chart and more clarity in the other places on the other chart. Uh, the the whole thing started on this high bar, which was the second bar of the day, as far as the New York session is concerned. And it can be drawn down here, or it can be drawn a little bit higher across this bar quite reasonably. And I say that because at this point we don't really have a next bottom to talk about unless you really want to go right up here, which is just a trifle over aggressive. If you do that too, you're not going to go up very readily. So let's take that guy out. This is drawn down to here, and this line waits for this kind of second down. And we get a white bar, and we get a struggling bar. Here they get turned to green by the software. And so it makes some sense to buy the breakout, which is the white bar here, and this blue centered green bar here. It's a very comfortable trade. It does little, well, this bar is not so much fun. It does come back down and then go back and get you set up to go up. And then everything goes up quite nicely. Here is your standard measuring device. The red line is 100% of the height of the wedge, and it gets up there nicely, and if you decide to get a little bit more out of it, you can do that too. Certainly when you get to this blue line, again, it's a software drawn line, you should be thinking about getting out, and if you aren't already out, this red diamond says, risk's coming. So you're still able to get at your 100% point, however you choose to do that trade. The other prospective trade of the day is here at these triangles formed by bringing this down across the up and down bar there, and then you would be buying right here. Same here, and here's the measuring device for that trade, and I've used the heights of the triangle, which is this, which I certainly didn't expect to get late in the day on Friday and did not get. What we did get was either the opportunity to get out with small profits as this got a little bit dicey, or for those who believe, we did get the run up in the last 10 minutes, 3:50 to 4 p.m. New York time, to get a 50% of this triangle run. This circle here is related to that circle, and as you can see, you have some divergences down here, and this is a pretty reasonable place to get short, but I don't know yet how to decide how far down is down to decide if I have a trade that actually makes risk reward sense. So I'm not trading those until I can figure out what's a good deal. Those two trades are our trades of the day, and neither a simple trade, neither of them is a terribly easy trade. If you didn't catch either one of them, certainly wouldn't spend a lot of time beating up on myself. See you Monday.